In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact GetResponse live chat support. Whether you're running into technical issues or just need a bit of guidance, knowing how to reach out to GetResponse's support can be incredibly useful. So let's get started and make sure you have all the assistance you need at your fingertips. First things first, you'll need to log into your GetResponse account, so go ahead and open your favorite web browser. Then enter your login credentials as usual to access your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you should find yourself on the GetResponse dashboard, which is essentially your central hub for managing all of your campaigns. Now direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the dashboard. This is where the magic begins, as it's where you'll find the chat bubble icon. It's easy to spot and a convenient way for users like yourself to access quick support. Clicking on the chat bubble will open up more options for you. You'll see a question mark icon, and that's your next step. Click on the question mark to initiate contact with GetResponse's chatbot, an automated system designed to help you with common questions and issues you might face. Once you've opened the chatbot, take a moment to clearly describe your issue. Be as detailed as possible. The more information you provide, the better the system can assist you. The chatbot is equipped to answer frequently asked questions and can offer immediate solutions to some common problems. So, if your problem can be resolved quickly, the chatbot is a handy resource to use. However, if the issue you're encountering is more complex and can't be easily resolved by the chatbot, you have the option to request a chat with a live support agent. Keep in mind that human agents are available during specific hours, so it's possible you might have to wait a bit, depending on when you're reaching out. The chatbot will provide you with information about the availability of agents and guide you through the process of connecting to one when they are available. And that's it. Now you know how to effectively reach GetResponse live chat support when you need it. This direct line of communication can be a lifesaver, especially when you encounter an issue that needs immediate attention. Remember, whether you're working on a complex campaign or troubleshooting a technical hiccup, GetResponse's support team is there to help. We hope this step-by-step guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Don't hesitate to reach out the next time you need support, and be sure to make full use of the assistance they offer to keep your marketing efforts running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.